fun with Ruth,
Ellie,
and Elisha.
Morning, guys. So, we are now preparing our stuff because ready to go. Di ba pala? Kasi nakabukas pa siya. Kasi lilipat kami ng hotel, which is malapit lang naman dito. Tapos doon na kami magsistay until around 3 a.m. mamaya before our flight sa Chennai. Tapos si Elisha, inayaan lang muna namin matulog para maraming energy mamaya. So, yan. Tapos, breakfast na lang kami dito. Yung binili naming roti boy, may natira pa. Yan. So, ito yung breakfast namin ni Daddy Ellie. Kasi ito, 30% off to sa 7-Eleven. So, tas konti lang yung stock. So, titikman na lang kung masarap. So, while having breakfast, hindi pala kami usually nagbe-breakfast dito kasi hindi kami kumukuha sa mga hotel. Ayaw namin kasing gigising kami maaga dahil lang para humabol sa breakfast. So, we wanna maximize our rest. Usually, pag mga travels namin, ganun, kung may option na walang breakfast, hindi namin kinukuha. So, labas na lang kami nagbe-breakfast. Or brunch. Pagkagising. Or before heading out kung saan kami pupunta. So, yun, habang kinakain ko to, kwento ko kung ano nangyari sa amin sa immigration from Singapore to Johor Bahru. So, nung binaba kami ng Grab doon sa Woodland CIQ, doon yung parang immigration area. Doon kami binaba sa may train. Tapos, all along, iniisip namin na you can buy your tickets there. Tapos, nandun na kami sa counter. Sabi, no, you buy online. So, nung bumibili na kami online, medyo nagkakaroon kami ng problem in terms of buying the ticket kasi nawalan ng internet, bumagal. So, yun, possible nga na nalilito siya dahil magko-cross border na kami. Biglang nawala yung internet. Oo. Nagka-problema kami nung magbabayad na biglang nagka-error. Tapos nung mag-rebook na ulit, ayaw. Kasi kailangan daw 30 minutes ulit dahil nga yung passport namin recorded na sa system na may binili. Tapos, wala kami masyadong footage doon kasi bawal. Ang nangyari is, pabalik-balik kami. Parang, yung time na sabi namin, sige mag-bus na nga lang tayo kasi train talaga yung gusto namin. Mas convenient siya. Ang nangyari is, papunta na kami dapat sa bus. Yung area na parang may hallway. Nag-stop kami bigla dun sa gitna. Kasi nag-refresh yung system. Tapos pwede na kami mag-book ulit. Tapos napansin kami ng immigration officer na pabalik-balik kami. So, tinanong si Daddy Ellie na, what's wrong? Tapos sinabi nga ni Daddy Ellie, we're having, parang a problem with our booking dun nga sa train. So, yan, okay naman. Tapos nung nabook na namin yung, yung ticket for the train, maganda pala, ma-download nyo yun and i-view nyo yun kasi nawawalan ka agad ng ticket lalo na pag weekends. Doon kasi sa website or sa app which is KTMB Mobile, makikita nyo kung ilan pa yung seats or yung available slots for the train. Usually, nauubos siya kapag mga peak hours like morning ng up to 10. Tapos, marami na ulit ng lunch up to 5 p.m. Tapos, after nun, yung mga 6 to 8, wala na ulit, 0. Tapos, yung onwards nun, parang 8 to closing time, meron na ulit. That's for weekdays. Pero pag weekends, nag-check ako kahapon, 0 siya lahat. So, you need to book in advance and also check regularly para alam nyo na hindi masayang yung pagpunta nyo dun sa train area. So, nung nabook namin yung ticket namin, may waiting area doon. kung saan nandun lahat ng mga nakabook sa train. Mag-open yung i-open nila yung gates noon ng parang 30 minutes, 45 minutes before yung time ng alas ng train. So that 45 minutes gives you ample time to go through immigration and immigrations. So Singapore muna, tapos Malaysia. Tapos boarding na. Tapos doon yung area, i-check yung mga luggages kung may dala kayong luggages. Isang na-overlook ko lang din, nakalimutan kong fill out nung digital arrival card to Malaysia. So habang waiting kami doon sa boarding gate, mamadali akong mag-fill out ng arrival card. And buti naman, buzzer beater natapos ko before magpapasok dun sa gate. Yan. Ang kagandahan ng train, lalo na pag marami kayong luggage, is lang siya, isang building lang lahat. Tapos, parang ang mangyayari is, may elevator kasi, so wala kang kailangang buhatan. So, elevator, tapos pagbaba, papasok ka muna sa Singapore Immigration. Tapos, konti lang yung tao. Hindi siya katulad nung first time namin na nag-cross ng Johor to Singapore. Na ang dami talagang tao doon kapag bus yung way of transportation mo pag cross-border. So, mas mura yun. Yeah, that's true. Mas mura. Kasi yung amin parang inabot ng 600, almost 700 pesos. Tatlo na kami. Kasi ang free lang na bata ay 4 years old below. Yan. Tapos, after ng Singapore Immigration, sa Malaysia, konting lakad, parang mga 2 minutes. Nandun ka na sa immigration ng Malaysia. Tapos, i-check na doon yung baggage mo. Tapos, done na. Nandun na kayo sa train, sakay na kayo sa train. Tapos, aantayin nyo na lang sa loob ng train na yung departure time. Minsan, parang kami, inabot lang kami ng buong process 15 minutes, parang gano'n lang, no?
Waiting time mo medyo
Hindi, yung process lang. Parang mga 15 minutes, gano'n lang kabilis.
Or less pa nga kasi pag may bata, mabilis.
Mabilis lang talaga siya. Versus nung first time namin na nag-cross ng border, oras yung inantay din namin. Ay, yung ginugol namin. So, yun. Kung kunwari man babalik kami, and then magko-cross ulit kami ng border, train ulit yung gagamitin namin. Wow, they have a free popcorn and cotton candy here. We're already checked out, but they let Elisha get one. Thank you. Oh, come on. What? We're here at the lobby.
Put inside, huh?
Yes, please. Come on, Elisha. Let's go inside. Hi. So the room is not yet ready, so we're gonna wait here. Come on. Because the rooms, they were fully booked yesterday. So they need time to clean up. And the check-in time is 3 p.m. naman. We are at room 1805. Ang cute. Ang cute pagkakagawa. Okay. Inside is here. Laki ng room. Okay. We have a ref with nothing. We have drip coffee. Wow. We have coffee mate, tea, cute ng cups. We have water.
so
Oh, you can put the water here.
Mommy,
There.
look cute.
Yeah, it's
Mommy,
cute.
look, it's cute.
Yes, put the water inside, Bebe, but it's cold. Yeah.
Spinning.
You put it inside. And then there's a safe. Ang cute ng slippers.
Mommy, and this is spinning.
And then may hangers. Ang laki. Tapos, look oh. Merong para sa, ano tawag doon? Ironing board. Tapos may, ano to? Hair dryer. Have TV.
Oh, Mommy.
And this is the room. It's a king-size bed.
Mommy, there's
Yan.
eyes.
Yes. And then there's a small table.
I'm touching the eyes.
And then ito.
Mommy, there's eyes.
Yes, bebe. Meron silang vanity.
Yes.
And this is our view. Look at that.
Dada, come here. It's so cute.
Okay. Wow. It's
Mommy,
big
look.
then.
Mommy, it's cute.
Yeah. Oh, it's smaller than the first one. Remember, that's a 5-star hotel, bebe.
Yeah.
But this is acceptable already for its price.
That was cute.
It has towels, 2 towels, dental kits, shower cup, cotton buds, comb, sanitary bag, and we also have shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and bath and soap. So far, it's good. It's actually good. If you're in a budget, actually, mahal pa to kung naka-budget ka eh. Kasi 2.1? 2.6 per night. Yan. But this is good. This is a good place to stay if you're gonna go to Johor Bahru. Ayan.
Mas mura siya compared sa Amari.
Yeah, because I think this is a 3-star hotel. Amari is a 5-star hotel.
Almost 5,000.
Yan. Where did we book this? Sa trip.com. Kasi doon yung yun yung pinakamura. And maganda yung rating ng hotel na to. Medyo nainitan lang ako kasi kakabukas lang ng aircon.
Pinatay ko yung ceiling fan kasi tinataboy niya.
There you go. So we're just gonna wait for the rain to stop. And then we're gonna eat. Ang traffic. Look at the traffic. Oh, yan. Ganito daw ka-traffic kapag weekends. Check the bed. Is it clean? Clean bed. Okay, open. Okay.
It's clean naman. Papalitan nila talaga yan.
Okay.
Mainit lang.
There's hair.
Yeah, mainit lang.
Hindi ganun kalakas si aircon.
There. Baka mamaya lalamig naman. Okay. We had the pizza delivered here kasi umulan kanina.
Can you
At
pray?
gutom na kami.
You pray. Pray first.
I think you heard the Father's name.
Amen.
Amen.
Stuffed crust kasi siya eh.
Wow, ang laki.
Oo nga. This is Hawaiian.
Pizza.
Let's try Hawaiian.
Let's eat. I'm now on my way to Hapju Bakery. Nagtanggal muna ako ng jewelries para safe lang. Because we're not sure. Tapos itong phone, tatago natin mamaya. So hindi ako makapag-vlog habang naglalakad. Para safe. Nasarahan na ako. Wala na. So until supplies last lang sila today. Hindi hanggang 5. Sad. Nagtasa sila. 13.60 dati 12. So guess where I am? I'm at Zeus Coffee. Yan. Zeus Coffee. It's a Malaysian brand. So sikat talaga siya dito. And I ordered through their app. Alam po kayo, buy one, free one. Tapos, mas marami silang ino-offer na drinks dito. Compared sa Philippines. Tapos sa pastries din, marami. Ayan. Is our order. Papa-take out ko lang. Kasi maglalakad ulit ako pabalik ng hotel. Yan. So, try natin yung ating Zeus Coffee. Ayan. Ito yung trinay ko. Zeus Gula Melaka. Tapos, yung kay Daddy Ellie is yung iced
buttercream latte. So, ginamit ko yung buy one, take one ni Zeus app. So, applicable din dito. So, parang nag-automatic siya. Nung nakita niya na nandito kami sa Malaysia, automatic na nag-switch yung Zeus app to Malaysia. Yan. So, we're gonna enjoy our coffee while looking at this view. We're gonna have dinner now. Heading out. Kasi hindi na ako makapag-vlog mamaya sa daan. So, babalik kami sa, anong mall yun? Central Square? JB Square. Yan. Okay. Waiting for the elevator.
Sit down here.
We're here na, City Square. Hanap ulit ang kakainan. We're back in Hockey. We're gonna try their kaya toast this time. And then their Hainanese chicken. Yummy? Yummy? Come on, let's try.
No?
No. Shanghai grilled chicken
With corn.
with corn.
Yummy.
Okay po.
This is Elisha's noodles. Is it yummy? Thumbs up, thumbs down.
We had dinner here again at Hockey Kopitiam, and then after that, we're gonna have dessert here at Mixu. Yeah. So let's see. We got their fresh lemonade and their Mixu ice cream. Kasi 15 minutes pa, so inaantay namin. Ice cream for Elijah and fresh lemonade for mommy and daddy. Yeah, it's a snowman. Okay. Thank you. Hold it with your two hands. Yummy. Kamusta?
Yes, one more. Meron ka lasang candy.
Uwe?
Nag-giveaway ba yun yung tao?
Ah, talaga? Sige nga. We have it in the Philippines but we haven't tried it in the Philippines.
Diba we had,
Mark Infinity.
Daddy,
Talaga?
diba-
Parang but it's fresh lemonade.
Mommy, diba we had this here in Philippines?
Alam mo yan, yung ano ba yan?
Diba?
Hindi
Diba?
naman sa train ako.
But it's in the
Yeah.
out,
Yeah.
but it's in the outside.
Ano may binibili natin sa train ako? Lemon.
Lemon.
Parang John Lemon.
Parang John Lemon. Pero how much siya kung 3 siya? Mga 30,
40 plus.
40.
Kasi 12.98, parang 13 na kasi yan.
Not bad.
13,
For 30 pesos ito.
13,
40.
26, mga 40
Not bad.
plus.
Mura na. Time check, it's 2:39 a.m. Flight namin sa Senai ay 6:35. Buti nakatulog si Elisha, at least may energy siya mamaya. Kasi mahaba-haba yung layover namin sa Kuala Lumpur, 9 hours. Yan. And sana may mahanap kaming Grab. Sana hindi mamili. Yan. So, final checking ng mga gamit. Kasi, itong mga malalaking luggages namin, hindi na namin siya makukuha sa Kuala Lumpur. Kasi ito lang yung luggage namin. Nandito yung essentials namin. Habang may 9 hours kami na layover. sa Kuala Lumpur. Di pa sure kung lalabas kami. Lalabas ba tayo? Hindi na daw. So, magla-lunch kami doon. Ayan. So, 2 hours lang. Mahal din kasi yung palabas. Unless na lang para silang Changi na merong parang libreng layover na libreng
Bus?
no, not bus libreng tour para sa mga may layover. Yan. Tulog yung bebe namin. Bebe, wakey. We need to go na. The airplane might leave us. Come on, wake up. Wake up, bebe. Wake up. Here at Sianag International Airport. Our flight is 6:35, but we arrived a little bit early. Hindi, super early. Yan. Sanay kami sa Manila na kailangan sobrang early dahil nga traffic. Ay, pwede pala kami umalis sa hotel ng 4 o'clock para 4:30 dumating. Kasi hindi naman pala ganun kalaki yung airport din. Pero maganda naman siya. Ayan. So, mag-tour tayo ng saradong airport. Ayan. This is the arrival side. Dito yung departure. Pero nung pumunta kami yung departure, open hand, bebe. Wait, I have something sa head. Pero nung pumunta kami ng Cebu, pumunta kami ng departure. Wala pang tao yung check-in counters. As in 0. Ito nga, oh. Ang Malaysia Airlines ata ito. Ano ba ako? Ay, hindi. Europe car. Oop. Okay. So, sarado pa talaga lahat ng stores. Yung arrival. At dito tayo sa departure. Ito nga, pabukas pa lang. Store, Oriental Store. 5 a.m. Okay. Meron silang zoos dito. And then, meron ding rest and go. Pag gusto ng massage. Pero hindi man nagmamassage yung iba. Nakaupo lang. And then, Pizza Hut din. So, dito. Yung departure ko. Ay, okay. Going na. Ayan. Yeah, why are you falling down? We're the first flight out. Malaysia Airlines. To Kuala Lumpur. It's 6:35. Ay. Buti pala, hindi namin tinuloy yung plan na dito mag-stay. So, check out ng lunch kahapon. Tapos, tatambay na dito. Kasi wala na lang matatambayan. As in, so, ganito siya. Tapos, dito sa departure, ay, Mary Brown. Yun yung kinainan natin the other day. Meron dito check-in. Pero, that's coffee, bebe. Dito, sarado pa. Walang tao. So, I think it's gonna open 2 hours before the flight. So, that's 4:30. Right now, it's 3:41. Around 4:30, they opened na this area for check-in. And now we're lining up to check in our luggages. flying with Malaysia Airlines, remember that their counter closes 60 minutes before departure and their gates naman close 30 minutes before departure. Tapos, if may mga hand carry ka, the luggage, cabin size luggage, and the personal items should be around 7 kilograms. And hindi siya pwedeng more than 2 pieces. So that hindi siya mag-exceed ng 7 kilograms. For our flight from Johor Bahru to Kuala Lumpur, this is our plane. So, wireless in-flight entertainment. You can put your phones here. Just like Daddy Ellie. And someone's busy with her magazine. Hi, bebe. This is the whole airplane. Hi.
I waked up from Daddy.
Yeah, you woke up.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. Here. So this is the domestic part, no? Cold? Wait, I'll close your jacket. Come to KLIA. Oh. Elisha, stay here. Yeah. Kailan natin pumunta sa international? Nasa domestic tayo eh. Wait. Ito. This is the departure area of Kuala Lumpur International Airport Terminal 1. So ngayon, nag-decide kami if saan kami tatambay at makakatulog. Dahil 5:30 pa yung flight namin pauwi ng Manila. At sabaw na kami. Zombie mode na kami. Lalo na si Daddy Ellie. Hindi naka-sleep. We're now headed to the Capsule Hotel Transit. Capsule Transit Hotel. Tingnan namin kung pwedeng magamit doon yung aming privilege for lounge. Kailangan na talaga namin matulog. Antok na kami. We're here at Capsule Transit Sleep Lounge. So we'll check. So we're going to Terminal 2. Sabi nung front desk ng capsule transit. Mas maganda daw sa Terminal 2. Alay lakad. Papuntang free shuttle to Terminal 2. 10 minutes daw siya. Yung biyahe papunta doon. Here we go. We're inside the shuttle bus. Standing pala. No, don't touch, baby. Don't touch. Ah. We're here at Terminal 2. Naalog yung utak ni Elisha. Masyadong maalog yung ride. Buti nakaupo kami. Yung iba nakatayo. So, nakakatulog na kami. Excited to sleep. Pero kakain muna bago mag-sleep. Let's go, go, go! Okay. Dito nga tayo. Last time. Last 2023, dito kami nag-landing. Nung pumunta kami ng Kuala Lumpur. Kaya pala iba itsura ng isang airport. Terminal. Okay. Napin na muna namin yung capsule hotel. Okay. Bawal ang bata sa single bed. Kailangan namin mag-upgrade to queen. So, ganito yung itsura ng capsule room nila. Tingnan namin yung taas. Mas malaki daw doon. Balik. Terminal 1. Decide na kami mag-check-in. Mag-pass ng immigration at pumunta sa lounge. Ibang lounge. Ayan. Chocha 1991. Dapat kasi papasok na kami sa immigration. Hindi mascan yung ano namin. Tag doon?
It's too early.
Oo nga, hindi mascan yung boarding pass kasi too early pa. Kasi 5:30 pa yung flight.
Wait.
You're so cute. Nahabol namin ni Elisha yung breakfast. Kasi may kami sa egg. There. So may kasama na siyang drink. Yan. Tapos, soup. Tapos meron siyang radish. Where's the radish? Radish. This one. Yan. Okay. I think kay Daddy naman. Parang combo meal nila.
Guys, it's the chicken meat.
Careful it might be hot pa.
But it's the chicken.
It's like seaweed soup.
How? How do you find it? Yummy?
Sweet.
Sweet. Okay.
It's actually soy.
Okay. You, Daddy. Soy ka din?
Honey.
Kamusta?
It
Bonchon?
Parang bonchon.
What is the honey?
It's a little bit spicy.
Going up. Dito na kami tatambay hanggang sa mag-check-in kami. Ay, mag-boarding. Refreshen up na rin kami dito. Sobrang antok na namin. Ganda. Let's go. We are nearing Fug.
Boca.
Come here.
Avatar.
Look, baby. They have curry laksa.
Avatar.
They have here they have macaroni, bebe, and fried noodles. You like that? Steamed rice and black pepper chicken. Oops. And coffee. Coffee.
Coffee again, and juices.
And iced tea.
And juices.
And juices. And salad.
And fruit.
Salad.
Soup.
And what is this?
And water.
It looks like Hainanese. It's chicken.
Chicken.
And some more juice. Here, some more juice. And then bread, butter cake. And then they have roasted peanuts. And then they have Cusca rice. Sauteed mixed vegetables, Sabi Indian style. Dali vegetable, butter and jam, and bread. And porridge.
That's all.
Yeah, so what are you having?
Okay.
Let's have the cake.
Porridge.
You're having porridge? Come on, let's go. What's that? That's chicken barbecue. They have laksa. I'm gonna try their laksa. And they have desserts for Elisha. It's chicken soup, and then I asked for noodles.
Can take one.
Yeah.
Because it's the cup. Because it's the cup.
Toka-toka.
Yummy.
It's good? Eh, yung yung fried noodles.
May talaga parang
Eh, yung pasta, yung macaroni.
sakto lang din.
Ah, okay.
Kahit.
Okay. I'll try the laksa. Hindi masyado maanghang. Tama. How is it?
Tamis.
Tamis.
It's more, the betterest is this one.
Okay, how about this one?
Yummy too.
Yummy.
Sweet.
We're now boarding. Malaysia Airlines bound to Manila from Kuala Lumpur. Medyo cloudy, parang uulan. What are you gonna say, Bebe? You're welcome, Bebe. What's that? It's a tic-tac-toe. What else is inside? There's a surprise for you.
Rice.
Yeah.
Because it's with the price.
What else is inside? Oops. What's that? It's an activity book.
A sticker.
Wow. And
Is
an
there
activity
more?
book.
Pencil it.
Wow,
For me to use it with Ollie.
yeah, and you can color this one while you're in flight.
Yeah.
Oh, you put it inside. It might fall. Are you happy? What are you gonna say to Malaysia Airlines?
Thank you, Malaysia.
Airlines.
Airlines.
You're Pawis.
I'm Palace Airlines. with that, we end our Singapore and Malaysia vacation.
If you liked our video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to our channel.
Thank you for watching. Bye!